This is Lipo balance charger, the Imax B6, and this is how we're charging our batteries for our FPV. Okay, there's a balance connector goes in here, and then we have a little adapter on here because this is an XT60 with an adapter going to an XT30. And this battery here is, as you can see on the side, there's 3 cells, and it's a 750 milliamp battery. So to charge this battery here, okay, the way milliamps and amps work is it's 1,000 milliamps to equal 1 amp. So what we have to do in here is we have to put in the amps and the volts, which will show how many cells. Like a 3 cell would be 11.1 volt. 4 cell I think is 14 something. Okay, now I'll show you how this works. Okay, if we press that button there, you can see this is flashing here, and this is where you can change how many amps it is. Okay, 6, 5. Okay, but as you know, we need to have this at 0.7. So we're going to put it back to 0.7. Okay, and then once it's at 0.7, we'll hit this button here again. And now the volts is changing. So if this was a 4 cell, we would change that to 4 cell, as you can see there. But it's a 3 cell, so we're going to change that back. Okay, that's a 3 cell. So we have that. And then we'll do a quick long press. And it's doing a battery check. Okay, and when it does a battery check, if there's going to be an error, it's going to show you that error, but there's no error. So we're going to press this button once, and now she's starting to charge. I don't know if you can see that or not, but she is definitely starting to charge. Now, one thing you always want to remember with LiPo batteries is make sure you have a LiPo guard bag. And as you can see here, I put kind of a cutting board underneath this, and I've actually put the battery and part of the charger inside the bag. And one thing with doing LiPo batteries, you definitely want to keep an eye on it. When this battery here is done charging, this machine here is actually going to give us a beeping sound, and at that point what I do is I just simply unplug the whole unit before I disconnect the battery. Anyways, that's how I charge my LiPos for my FPV drones. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.